Hello guys, I'm Zaki. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to explain you the most interesting topic on this vlog. Every stakeholder, every entrepreneur, every business product owner wants to sell their product online by making the application huge traffic to make money. But when you don't have this stakeholder document and also user wants and needs document, how someone can able to design the application? But I'll explain you how I have designed without knowing the stakeholder and the user wants and need. What I have done is like I stepped into the stakeholder shoes and also at the same time I have stepped into the user shoes as well to understand what exactly users and the stakeholders wants in one product. Here I have designed this a small application to sell the product online to make the money. I'll explain you how the brand identity will be shown on this all over the application, what exactly user wants from it and how the stakeholders satisfy from this application. Let's start today's video. Here on the header I have shown the brand color on the background, not on the logo, and the logo is placed on the right and also the quick user links on the right side where they can able to access the profile, wish list and the cart. And at the center we are focusing the search input, and underneath we are showing the links of the navigation, and also I have added the drill downs for the 6 different categories. And here I'm showing the hero image in the carousel slider to highlight one of the product, following with the high empathy button. When I click on high empathy button, it redirects to the a particular item page, and there you can directly shop it. On the second section, I'm focusing on the what services we are exactly giving when I purchase a product. Like they will have a safe delivery and 24/7 support and the secure payment gateway. And on the third section and the fourth section, I'm showing the categories at the bottom, how many products have in one single category, and you can able to see here we have showing the 4 categories and also the product count in it. And if you want to see and the fourth and fifth and the sixth category, you can click on the right side indicate slider indicator, then you can able to see a fifth and sixth category. And here I want to show and also highlight one of the thing, which is the bulk orders, which makes the more money for the stakeholders when someone takes the huge orders. And also following the few client testimonials who have buy their product from this e-commerce application. And here one more thing, everyone wants to tell about their story in the applications. So in a lot of e-commerce applications, I have seen that a few of them want to know who exactly the CEO of the company, who are the teams, who are the working in this all over the e-commerce application, how they are started their business. So those things can be shown by the shown in this CEO section. If someone wants to know about it, they can also go for the about us page as well. And here the other thing is like the secondary thing, they have the huge more rating on the organic thing, so we are focusing on that thing at the bottom, following with the shop now button. And at the footer we have shown the quick links and also what are the useful links, and also the how someone can able to contact directly to the stakeholders by email, callers. If someone wants to make WhatsApp, they can also use the WhatsApp service as well. If someone wants to get connected to the socialize with this application, so they can directly go to the Facebook, Twitter or the LinkedIn or Instagram, so they can directly connect with them. So I'll show you one of the category. When I click on it, I'll go to one of the category list items. So here on the screen I am going to show you these many links following the pagination. On here you can see I'm showing 1 to 12 over 40 results. Okay, here I'm showing only 12 items following with the pagination. When I want to see the next, I can click on the next, then the second item will be highlighted, and also the count of the page 1 of 5 is shown on the left side. On total left side panel, I'm showing this categories list where you can also clear this and you can make a fresh selection of it. Here I'm showing the categories following with the select items in it, and also the price wise, and also a packet size. So whatever we have selected here, I'm showing on the top left and above the items. On the right side, I'm showing the sort by feature. When I click on it, I'll show it by alphabetical order, or by high and low price and low and high price. Let's choose one of the item. Perfect. So when I click on one of the product, I want to show what exactly the product is, what product description, how much rating it is. If I like this product, I want to share it to the social media. So I'll tell you how this product is more important and how people can buy it. So I have given a share now option for the social media, and following with the price and also a delivery tag on it. If someone wants to add this into a second item, they can add it. Let's go to the add to product. If they want to add it, they can also add it. At the bottom, I'm showing the product description, product details, delivery options, reviews, and plan kit tips for this single item. We can't show everything at one place, so I have distinguished with this different tabs, right? When I click on add to cart, now the item is added to the cart. So how can I view, how can I go to the cart? So here we have two different interactions. One, the user can click on the cart to get into the cart page, or else you can directly click on this whole thing. Let's click on the view on cart. So this is how it appears on the cart. So when I get into cart, I don't want to buy this. Okay, I want to remove one of the item. Let's do that. How we can remove that? So yeah, added one small interaction. I'll explain you how this interaction works. So I have removed one item, right? I want to remove the second item as well. So now my cart is empty. So I want to add it. How can I add it to the cart? And also I want to buy it. So let's go to my wish list. So wish list, I've already added it. Haven't showed you, but I've already added it. Let's remove one item from wish list. Perfect. Let's move it to this cart. So here I'm showing this previous two ordered items. Let's confirm this order. So what happens when I click on the confirm order? So when I confirm order, in the product, we are going to ask the location, the delivery address of the user's location, where the product has to be delivered at exact time, and there can add also the time, and that time will be given in the application itself. And here, if someone wants to add a new address rather than home and work, or if someone add other address, they can add it. So here we have given few inputs for the personal details. Here in the address we have segregated into two types. One is the personal details and other is the address details. In the personal details there is the full name and the contact number. In the address details there will the four inputs. One is the full address and the city, district, state, and the pin code. If you want to save this address as a home, you can save it, or else work, or else you can able to click on the work as well, because it's a radio single select option. You can click on anyone and click on address. That address will be added over here. If you don't want to add address, you don't know what exactly the address is, you can click on locate me. So when you click on locate me, automatically when we integrate the API, it captures your system or a mobile location. It asks you the accessible of your current location. So then your location will appear on this pop-up. So there you have to give your full name on the contact number, and then you can able to add this address. And when you select this address, you can directly click on continue to get into the payment gateway, where you can able to select the payment by credit card or by pay by UPI or net banking or Paytm wallets or pay on delivery. I have given a few of payment options here. If you don't want to have the same payment modes in other applications, you can also take it off. So here you can able to see that name on the card number, valid until, and the CVV. So whenever you're going to payment gateway, there will have the new interface, so you can also use that, or else you can also customize that whole UI. Let's click on the pay now. If you see on the right side, there is no pay now, because the interaction will happen only on the left side rather than showing on the right side, because here we are going the high emphasis button with the pay now. Click on it. Perfect. Now your order is placed. I want to see my orders. Let's go and click go to orders. Perfect. So now you are in your you are in the orders page, where you can able to see all the orders. If you want to click on pending orders, you can also go for the pending orders, and you can able to see the completed orders is 10 and cancel order is 0. Why have showing the value on the top? See, I don't want to hide everything. If I'm a user, I don't want to, I want to see everything on the top itself. I don't want to hide and say play kind of thing in this whole application. If something is not there in the any one of the tab, so I'm going to show 0. If I want to show like 100 completed orders, I can show here itself, so that user can able to understand, oh okay, I have completed 100 order items. If not, the user cannot identify what is completed, what is cancel order, what is pending, what is all. If you show the count at the top, the user can able to understand, okay, I have 10 items in your orders and also completed 10 orders in the tab. So this how this application you can able to show in these orders. And the other thing is, in the orders I'm using the accordions. We call it accordions, we can call it collapsibles. So it has a different names, and you can call it with any name, right? It's up to you. Here I'm showing the item image, and following with the name, and also status, date, and the order ID. Whenever the user click on this, so they can show the more details with the delivery address, the payment information, and also what exactly the status has sent to the mobile, and as well as the for the Gmail. If someone wants to download the invoice, so they can directly click on this invoice, download invoice, they can download it. And if they want to audit again, they can do it. So let's go to wish list now. So from wish list, I want to go to home page. So this is how the home page appears. So if you see all over the colors, I have used the colors only for the action items, not for the all the things. So wherever the action is required and what are the things are highlighted is showing some information. Okay, I was not using the colors everywhere, but wherever the info is highlighted, wherever the action links are there, so there we are focusing the brand color rather than showing everything in green. So we are highlighting only the few things. If you see on the item, I am showing the secondary button here following with the primary button, right? And all the same thing on the left side also, I'm showing the primary colors for the radio buttons and also for the check buttons. When I click on the go to card, you can able to see even on the share on, I'm showing my brand identity. Whenever the user comes on this whole application, so that user can able to understand, okay, this is my brand color. So they are showing their brand identity for each and every product rather than showing everything in a green. They were focusing only at the interaction state, so that user can able to understand, okay, this color is the brand identity. So this is how you can able to make your e-commerce application more interactive, and also following the UI aesthetics of how the brand color can be used and how much value can be used to showcase the uh, color uh, colors in your applications. And also you can see how the text size has been used over here. And here I'm showing the red color because this amount has to be payable, right? It is a payable. The green indicates it's successfully added, right? And also I'm showing the ratings here. I can also show the rating by showing only one star mark following with the reviews. but it's up to the design requirement, if up to the client requirements. Because because I am stepped into a stakeholder and I want to make it a 5-star, showing a 5-star in the all over the card, so I have shown here. If you want to show 1-star, you can able to show that as well. Cool. I think this vlog is helpful for you to design the e-commerce application, following only small things to make more impact on your business. If you find more interesting on this video, please do subscribe and also like this video and share this video. And thanks for watching.